Hi, this is Jeep and Jack. In today's video, we're mounting JCR off-road molle panels for your center console. I want a little bit more room inside my Jeep to mount things that are molle compatible. And these are the only center console brackets that support molle for the Jeep Cherokee. I got these on eBay because they were the only people that had it in stock, and they were a little cheaper than Quadratec and JCR off-road themselves. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you how to mount it.
That found a home right here on the corner of our garage.
Eats all the bugs.
Yeah, he is absolutely awesome, and we're not going to mess with him. Let's go ahead.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to use a Sharpie right here. Mark it. Alright, I want it up to the line.
There, you can see it.
Yeah.
See it on the video. Next thing we do is take a drill. Now the manufacturer says use an 1/8 inch drill, and we have an 1/8 inch drill. We're going to go just a tad smaller to match the diameter of the screw, which is 0.118. So we got a drill bit that size.
I got to mark the top one again.
Can't see it?
Okay. There we go. It doesn't take much to get through this plastic. It's pretty thin. Alright, now that we got that done, we have our spacers and screws from the factory. There are 4 of each, 8 in total, 4 for each side, 4 spacers and 4 screws for each side.
Did you get a screwdriver?
Put this on here, you'll have the spacer in between there, so you'll be able to get the molle loops through here. That's pretty good. You need a flashlight?
I don't have one. Does that help any?
I can see it.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, this thing has a flash. That was difficult.
Put your hands up to the sky. Baby, let me see you smile. Give me one good reason why we can stay out all night.
And now it's mounted. Looks pretty good. I like it. And we got one bag on there. That's a standard molle bag. This one's not a left or right. It's for either. But if you have something that's left or right, you got to have a left or right mount. And I'll show you why on the other side. And here's a little plug for JCR off-road. It's really well built, very simple to install, thought out, and so far it looks pretty darn nice. And here's why it matters if it's a left or right mount. Because if you want to mount it on the other side, you got to have a left mount or left holster. Simple as that. It's very easy to get to. It's very secure. We like it, and I would recommend it for sure. But you got to have your sugar daddies beside it too, because that's just important. See, the sugar daddies are milk duds. If you like Sean Ryan like we do, you might want to get some milk duds to put in your ashtray while you're doing this job.
So this is in the video. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you enjoyed, and say goodbye to our little buddy. Look at him go. Now we're gonna have to feed him later.
He's a big one too. That's my hand. Can you see that? He's a monster.